Team, we got the new Solo Steelfire 30 griddle. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, this is gonna be the new star of your backyard. It has a 3-ply stainless steel griddle that is commercial grade, baby. This is gonna make things so much easier on you. No seasoning, no hard cleanups, nothing that you have to do with your regular griddles. This thing is like, you go to a restaurant with a nice griddle in it, same setup right here, y'all. This griddle resists rust, it's easy to clean, and you're gonna love it, trust me on that. I've already done a couple cooks on this, and the sear that you get is just second to none. I've done some smash burgers. Of course, you're gonna do some smash burgers on a new griddle, right? And you get that great sear, that great Maillard reaction, and it makes a perfect smash burger. I also did a big old breakfast because you wanna get some bacon sizzling on there. You're gonna do some steak and eggs too. The steak seared up beautifully. The bacon cooked quickly. The hash browns, the eggs, the pancakes were light and fluffy. Got the tall stack, order up, baby. Guys, I'd like to say it's on me, but this griddle did amazing with it. Now what I love are there are 2 burners on this griddle. So you could have a really high searing side and you could have a nice low side for the eggs that you want to cook. Stuff that you don't really need a hard sear on there, right? The pancakes, all that good stuff. You have the option to cook both ways while you're cooking a full-on breakfast. And with its racetrack burner design, which is unlike any other, you get edge-to-edge heating all the way through. There are no hot spots, cold spots, anything like that. The way the burners are configured underneath that stainless steel griddle top, it gives it that nice even heating all the way through. It's awesome to me. I dig the way it looks underneath. On other griddles I've had, it's just been kind of like H-style burners where it, you know, it's very hot under those spots and then it kind of trails off. With this one, it's like I said, even all the way through. And with those racetrack burners, it heats up 35% faster than the other griddles out on that market. So save you a little bit of time, a little bit of effort too, right? So guys, this is a really dope griddle. The cleanup for it's easy as can be. A little bit of water, a little bit of heat on there, scrape off the bits, good to go. The grease trap is conveniently located in front. Just pull it out, dump it, get on that next cook. This setup right here is actually a combination. Now the griddle itself can actually be a tabletop griddle. So the griddle and the stand are sold separately, but the griddle itself has adjusting feet on it, right? So you can put it on a tabletop, like I have my workbenches over here, or you can put it on a tailgate, take it to the ball game. But for me, Solo sent out the stand, so I used it. You attach it with 4 screws, easy as can be. All right, the stand took no time at all to put together. Let me rephrase that. It took a little bit of time because your boy doesn't know how to read instructions and put the legs on backwards, but we don't have to talk about that. 2 side tables, which are perfect for getting your cooks ready to go. I'm big on having everything prepared with my griddle cooking because usually your griddle cooking goes fast. So having everything set up and ready to go and having a spot to put it, it's aces in my book, baby. Your propane tank storage underneath, it's easy as can be. It's open in the back here, so you just slide it in, twist it on, and you're ready to go. Now, Solo told me there's gonna be accessory kits available very soon. All right, since it's such a new griddle, they're getting everything in the works. But I will tell you that you can use metal utensils on this, being that it's a stainless steel surface. I have other griddles that are non-stick, ceramic, whatever, that you have to use silicone. So it's great that you can use whatever you want when you're cooking on the surface of this griddle. Guys, this is a great griddle. It's a great value compared to other griddles you can get on the market. Cooks so much more evenly, heats up faster, easier to clean, so you can't go wrong with it. Guys, you will see this being used on my channel going forward. When I do some more griddle cooking, this is the one I'm gonna be using. Give it a shot. Links down below if you wanna check it out. It's not an affiliate link, but I want you guys to be able to take a look at this and make your own decision on it. But guys, this is the one right here. I dig it. You're gonna see it more on the channel for sure. If you have any questions about the Solo Steelfire 30 griddle, throw them in the comments down below and I'll answer them if I haven't already answered them through the video. But that's about it, guys. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Get out there and get griddling. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging with CJ. Cheers, y'all.